We'll guide you through how to resize rows in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that already contains data. Next, focus on the row numbers located on the left side of the sheet. Identify the specific row that you want to resize. After finding the correct row, move your cursor toward the row number area. Slowly hover your cursor over the horizontal line that separates two row numbers. You will notice that it changes into a vertical resize icon. Click and hold the mouse button on the row boundary line. While holding the mouse, drag the boundary line downward if you want to increase the row height. If you prefer to make the row smaller, drag the boundary line upward to decrease the row height. Observe how the row height changes in the spreadsheet. Another way to resize a row is by selecting it directly. Click on the row number to select the entire row. After selecting the row, right-click on the highlighted row number. Wait for the context menu to appear on the screen. In the context menu, look for the option labeled Resize Row. Once you locate this option, click it to open the resizing settings. After clicking it, wait until the Resize dialog box appears. Inside the dialog box, type the number that represents the height you want for the row. Confirm the value you entered by reviewing it in the dialog box. Then click the OK button to apply the new row height. After applying the change, observe the row height update in the spreadsheet. The selected row should now appear taller or shorter based on the value you entered. If you want to resize several rows at the same time, select multiple rows by clicking across several row numbers. Make sure all the rows you want to adjust are highlighted. Then right-click on the highlighted row numbers to open the context menu again. From the menu, choose the Resize Rows option. Enter the desired row height value in the dialog box that appears. Finally, click OK to apply the changes to all selected rows. Review the spreadsheet layout after resizing to ensure everything looks neat and readable. You can now continue editing your spreadsheet as needed.